Yeah, 43, 36. I mean 54, 36, 54, 41. Local freight train. Got a lot of local trains, people. Hard to keep track of what numbers they are. They keep switching them. Wow, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me, and if you did, go thumbs up on it. Hey, hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hey, can you hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel? Hey, also do me a favor, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Tuesday, November the 19th, 2024. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one, everybody. Take care. They're tearing down that building next to it, so next to the railroad tracks. Yeah, that building, people, used to be a paper mill place, but that building shut down, and they moved everything out of it. Moved everything over there to a town called Kalamazoo, Michigan. That's what they're doing there. And then they got those red things there to warn trains to go slow going through there. But y'all have a good one.